Hey girls, what are you doing? Are you excited? Are you excited? Where are we going? Where are we going to camp?
We are going to this cement and put it in the box, and we're going to family weekend.
What's family weekend?
It's where your family comes, and it's a weekend so your family can come, and it's really good because they have pancakes for breakfast and all these sorts of things that I like with syrup so I can lick it all up, and oatmeal that I can eat the honey.
What else do you do there?
You had a talent show at the last night.
What are you going to do for the talent show?
I'm going to play my violin, and Iris is gonna sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
There you have it.